after programming the pattern. This pneumatic machine makes the engravings on any metal sheet. This machine creates swing with calculated moves. Without any assistance, it can create 180 swings every hour to make the sorting process faster. This machine deep dead of fish 7 baskets. Disposable chopsticks are cut from a single wooden square that is marked in the middle, but only partially cut, to allow the machine to shape it with pointy ends. BLB wine is contained in a plastic bladder, with an airtight valve emerging from a protective fiberboard box. Using a powerful vacuum pad, this machine moves the circles from one step to the next. This worker knows exactly when to open and close the opening to perfectly fill the molds. Before sowing the seeds, it's necessary to loosen and turn the soil in the fields as to break it. All gems are cut by progressive abrasion, using harder substances like diamond. This is how bark is turned into perfect forks. Create hamburgers more efficiently with this hydraulic machine. With 7 powerful jets, this tool removes all dirt and debris in a single stroke. Here you see how cotton is pressed after being harvested. With a zigzag cut and some glue. This machine creates long beams for construction purposes. Polyurethane glue is one of the strongest and most durable types of wood glue for wood. Paint is run through series of hoses under air pressure and applied to the roadway surface along with the application glass beads for retroreflectivity. After the oval bar of ice cream is ready, the handle is driven and the individual ice creams are cut as they descend the machine, to be dipped in the chocolate coating. This engine was newly installed, so it needs to be tested at almost full capacity of its power. Here you see the inner workings of a Hitachi CG65, of one of the wheels on its caterpillar system. Inside the machine, the melted sugar breaks into the flossy threads we recognize today as a cotton candy. Slow motion show you how a drill bit removes material from a bar. Before polishing them into shiny basalt tiles. This machine cuts the bigger rock bar. It takes a great force concentrated in a small spot to break the stone without ruining it. The chip tends to curl inward due to its geometric construction design.
A 13-miter dot leaves a very shiny finish on the aluminum piece. It takes 60% of the material on the first cut and 45% on the second go. Has a 1,600 millimeters per meter feet at a 6,500 RMP speed. Instead of hammering it by handworker, uses a 100 tons press. To forge a knife, he is using steel, an alloy that can stand in sense twisting and bending without becoming distorted as he works. The material loses heat and darkens, turning more difficult to mold. This is how a CNC machine prints a circuit on a motherboard. Motherboards are made of a sheet of copper-clad laminate. A little bit of lubricant makes the drilling smoother. Here you see an automated on-site construction 3D printer, capable of printing very large volumes.